Hello friends, today our topic is the Poisson distribution is a valid PMF. Now PMF means the probability mass function. Now for any random variable capital X which is of type discrete, then we have the probability mass function has two conditions. The number one, the probability of the X are always greater than equal to 0 and summation of Px is equal to 1. So a Poisson distribution must be a valid PMF. Then we can check that two conditions for any probability mass function is also valid for the Poisson distribution or not. Let's check what is the Poisson distribution formula is. Now for the Poisson distribution, the function is given by, suppose that is written as fx, so that one is equal to probability of the x is equal to x, where capital X is the random variable and small x are the values of the random variable, is equal to lambda to the power x into e to the power minus lambda upon x factorial for x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to the infinity. Now we know that any function that is fx where that is given must be greater than 0, as lambda to the power x is always greater than 0 and e to the power minus lambda that is also greater than 0 and x factorial that is also greater than 0. So all the three values, that means lambda to the power x greater than 0, e to the power minus lambda that is also greater than 0 and x factorial that is also greater than 0. So that fx must be greater than 0 and that is also satisfying the first condition for any PMF, that is Px must be greater than equal to 0. So the first condition is satisfied. Now the second condition, summation of Px must be 1. Let's check the second condition is satisfying or not. We have the summation that is from 0 to infinity and lambda to the power x into e to the power minus lambda upon x factorial. Now e to the power minus lambda that is a constant value. So we are keeping it as a multiplier and e to the power minus lambda into summation of 0 to infinity lambda to the power x upon x factorial. Then that one is e to the power minus lambda into lambda to the power 0 upon 0 factorial, lambda to the power 1 upon 1 factorial, lambda to the power 2 upon 2 factorial, lambda to the power 3 upon 3 factorial up to infinity. Now if we have e to the power x, the expansion of e to the power x is particularly x to the power 0 upon 0 factorial plus x to the power 1 upon 1 factorial, x to the power 2 upon 2 factorial up to infinity. So here we can write that particular expansion as the form of e to the power lambda, and with multiplication e to the power minus lambda the result is found, that is 1, and that is also satisfying our second condition of the any PMF. So we may say the Poisson distribution is a valid PMF.